Hey guys, this is Rachel Feldman here at yourhealthcoachbiz.com, where we help you save time because we know how important it is for you to be getting strategy sessions, discovery calls, list building, being out there meeting JV partners, doing free classes. So we create programs just like this. This is a 4-month program. You can use this on your Work With Me page as your 4-month option. You can also do a 4-month mastery with this. You can do this as an online group and offline group. The possibilities are limitless. I want you to see how we have built this out for you. Number 1, we have 2 recipe guides, omnivore and vegetarian. Number 2, you have 4 modules as well as PowerPoints to accompany them. So this is a one-stop solution when you're thinking of how would I run it and do a webinar of the month. You could do this even in a membership. You could even expand these modules to be longer so that your clients really get that full dripped out material. It's completely exciting. So our recipe guides, I'm just going to show you the omnivore and the vegetarian. You may have tons of clients who they want to be vegetarian, or maybe they are, but you have, their family who is not vegetarian. We have tons of juices, smoothies, breakfast, simple breakfast too, because I always think people are busy. They don't have time. We have dressings, soups, lunches, dinners, snacks, and desserts. And remember, you're giving a suggested plan, but your clients can be completely empowered with all of these recipes to change around their breakfast, to batch cook. Many of my busy clients just said to me, you know what, I love these 3 recipes, these 3 meals. Can I just batch them? And I was like, of course. The idea is for you to focus on long-lasting changes, habits in your daily life. And the recipes are just so you don't have to run around trying to find them. So you see how delicious they are, yummy. And that is our goal, especially when we create these recipes. So then you have the Reboot. Same thing, except this is your vegetarian. Cottage cheese, ginger banana protein oatmeal, guacamole, tomato and sprout toast, veggie omelet, lunches. I mean, who would want a basil mint hummus sandwich? These are all gluten-free, so do not worry. It's also a great starting place for a client who maybe they don't know how to go gluten-free, or maybe they don't even know the recipes and how delicious it is. I mean, who wouldn't want a Tex-Mex quinoa stir fry? So then the really amazing thing is you have 2 sets of suggested meals and shopping lists. Here for a whole month. Let's even look, we put weeks 3 and 4 together, so it was easy for your client, 13 and 14, I mean. So it's easy for your client to just go, and also less materials for you to need to deliver. They have all of their step-by-step, shopping, and it's broken down. It's not just a pantry list. And you'll see right there, your clients can just take that, print it out, or look on like their iPad or an iPhone. You have 1 month. 2 months. I don't know another 4-month program that has recipes and that has suggested meals. So think about this. If you're doing a membership, you can have these suggested meals. You can take the time to replicate, do a shopping list. Shopping list for a 2-week program usually takes about 2 hours. But that's why, we want to give you the foundation, or the program you don't even need to change. You then have a beautiful food diary, real simple and easy for your client to keep track. When I look at this program, people always say, what is the theme? we wanted this to be a program where your clients really get started on the basics of their life. So many people that I was working with in my practice, they knew they had a myriad of other issues, but they didn't know where to start. And so what I've learned over the years is to start people at the basics, the power of mindset. We can't make a change unless we're really clear on that. What do you need to reboot your body? Their daily schedule, tongue scraping, skin brushing, like the basics of getting a client healthy with good habits. What is clean eating? To even just empower your client, this doesn't have to be scary. This is not a diet. This is a way of life. Why organic food? Foods to eat without concern. The dirty dozen. Most people don't even realize they're eating foods on the dirty dozen. So we want to empower them to make changes. Rainbow salad recipe. I love that. Just here, this is how simple it is. And then daily habits and abundance and mindset. See how we even give them links. See how there is just information right here on simple things they can do, even a list. And you can even do that work of working with your client. Like, let's fill this out together. We also give homework and action steps. You then have a PowerPoint exactly. Look how beautiful this is. Think of how long this would take you. You can do this as what we call an evergreen, or you can do this as evergreen means that you do it once and that stays there. So whether you do this as a course, a membership, or maybe you're kicking off a group and you're going to do a webinar, but you're still working with them offline. I did that constantly, especially with my mom's group. This would have been great for my moms because these are all the things that they would ask me about. Let's reboot what you eat and drink. We still want to bring them back to, what are your Zen habits? Because again, this is about creating daily habits and the changes. So it's embrace your likes, become a label detective, foods that do not give you energy, foods that do, and drink yourself healthy. So I added in all those infused waters, especially when we're trying to get our clients off sugar, with a little cute chart there, foods that give you energy, a juicing recipe even right here for beetroot juice, so good for the body. And you can see just how much amazing information is in here. And then even like the Epsom salt baths, same thing. You have a PowerPoint to match this. Really adorable, really cute. All of it kind of brands together in this really beautiful green. Then reboot your body. We did a survey with coaches. What is their client's biggest struggle right now? And in a world of mystery illness and autoimmune, and especially where many coaches are working with women, there are so many hormonal imbalances. And so we want to sit there and start one with teaching them about gut. How do we get to that place of pure health? What does it mean to consume like these, healthy foods? But then also teaching and empowering them about hormonal imbalances. So for those of you that maybe can't afford the 12 module on hormone, or you feel like there's still some issues, or your clients don't have just hormone issues, this is a great one because it encompasses what are these pillars? What are these pillars? Where are clients really struggling with? And so Reboot program number 4 is really about your life. How to eat for the rest of your life, how to travel, how to eat intuitively, eat seasonally, really taking them through what I feel is some of the biggest problems we all have in this world. How do I travel? How do I do this? How do I keep up? So we give them this homework and action steps. You can also take them through, and of course take them through step by step to extend it. Then of course you have your module 4. So those are the recipe guides, the food diary, and then we go to your business folder. You have 2 PowerPoints, reasons for eating clean for a lifetime, 5 ways to get off sugar. You have a promo image, a banner, a script, the PowerPoint. Look how cute this is. Think about doing this as a free workshop, a masterclass, a paid workshop. You could combine this with a cooking class. You could have a cooking class every month, and this was based on cooking. You have the promo image, the banner, the script. Then we have another PowerPoint, how to get off sugar for life. Because when I think about people's biggest issues, people don't buy the solution, they buy the problem. And so when we think about autoimmune or thyroid issues, hormonal issues, gut issues, cortisol, I start thinking about what are those key basics. Same with the opt-in freebies. How to stay motivated. We have a beautiful guide. This can be a freebie, for those of you who haven't built your list yet, or even a way to really build your list and get people completely motivated. How do you work out your body? So giving them, again, the simple tools and techniques for how to live this life when you're really busy, how to de-stress. Giving them action steps. And that's what we are as coaches. We have 6 pre-marketing emails. Think about how much it would cost you to hire someone. The average is $80 to $150 an email. Maybe you can get 6 emails at $650. Then you have 18 support emails. You can put these into your automated CRM, MailChimp, MailerLite, or you can even put these right into you can write into a Facebook forum, or you can send them out manually. You have 20 blogs. When you think about these blogs, we add the pictures, change the name, add anything that appeals more to your niche and also your story. We have a beautiful collage. Look how pretty that is. Simple, omni, and vegetarian. Then we have a kick-off and wrap-up. The script matches exactly the PowerPoint. So for those of you who get, nervous, it is all right here. And think just again, how long would it take you to go through all of this? This is about you guys having the materials you need to service your clients in all these areas. We have a pricing sheet, a sales page, a manual, social media tool package, 10 images to promote. Aww, so cute. Imagine seeing that Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, even a blog, a sales page. So these can be amazing images to put. And again, you can change it in PicMonkey or Canva. You have a flyer. This can be used online or offline. Online, all you have to do is edit, change it to a PDF, and save it for a JPEG. You have a Facebook post that you can just plug right in as copy. Again, add your own special sauce, and you have tech tutorials. So make sure that if you have any questions, to just reach out to us at yourhealthcoachbiz.com. Again, my name is Rachel Feldman, and we are here to alleviate the stress of you building an amazing, amazing business. We hope you have a great day, and we look forward to supporting you in our private and exclusive forum.